Hello everyone, if you're looking for an easy way to deposit money into your Monzo account, I've got you covered. First off, you'll need to open Monzo in any web browser. Don't worry if you don't have an account yet, I'll guide you through the process. There are actually multiple ways to add money to your account. One way is to make a bank transfer from another bank account. To do this, simply tap on the home icon in the menu bar, then tap on the Wad Money button under your Monzo card. From there, select the Took Bank Transfer and make a note of your account number and sort code. Set up your Monzo account as a payee with your other bank account, and the money should appear in your Monzo account instantly. However, it's worth noting that sometimes it may take a little longer for the transfer to go through. Another option to deposit cash is to head to a PayPoint location. There are over 28,000 PayPoint locations scattered across the UK, so you're bound to find one nearby. Just follow the steps provided at the location to deposit your cash. Lastly, while Monzo doesn't offer checkbooks, you can still pay a check to your Monzo account through a third-party provider. To do this, follow the steps provided by the provider to issue the check to your Monzo account. And there you have it, a few easy ways to deposit money into your Monzo account. Happy banking!